What is reactive ground? In blasting, reactive ground is ground that reacts exothermically with nitrates. For reactive ground, we need two key things: acid and heat. There are a number of ways that this environment can manifest. A common pathway is the reaction that causes acid-mine drainage. Iron sulfides are oxidized in water to generate ferrous ions and sulfuric acid. The ferrous ions are oxidized to form ferric ions, which then react with pyrite, resulting in more sulfuric acid and ferrous ions, and the reaction continues. Another pathway is the formation of sulfide crystals on the surface of iron sulfides, for example in drill cuttings, which will then react on contact with nitrates. For a reactive ground event to occur, a pH of around 2 is required. But what about the heat? When nitrates are introduced, they react with ferrous ions to form ferric ions, nitrous acid, and heat. With sufficient heat, these reactants can then react with iron sulfides directly. What can inhibit a reactive ground event? Environmental factors exist that will naturally inhibit the reaction, such as the presence of carbonates and coal. These will increase the pH and isolate the surface of the sulfide from the reactants. And of course, if you're using inhibited products, it is very likely your product will contain urea. Urea inhibits the autocatalytic reaction by reacting with the nitrous acid. The catch is that to inhibit the reaction, urea is consumed and could possibly be exhausted. If this happens, it is possible for the reactive ground reaction to resume. How does detonation occur exactly? It's not what you think. And what are the best tests to assess reactive ground? I'll answer these questions in an upcoming video. If you need to do reactive ground testing at your site, reach out to QMR Blasting Analysis or Blastability to find out more.